Good morning, Dipanshu.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, sir, and you?
I'm good. How's your life?
So my life going well.
Okay, so Dipanshu, audience wants to know why we are here.
So we are here for my journey, how I spent my journey, and how it is going on. So for that we are here, sir.
Okay, so Dipanshu, how did you know about my institute? How did you reach?
So, sir, first of all, your institute is very famous in my locality. So in as well in Delhi too. So my brother told me about an institute that you can go there and you should learn from there because the environment and the way of teaching that things are very good there. So that's why.
Okay, so when you came first time, then what was going in your mind, and how will I learn English, and what was going on in your mind?
So first of all, that I was very nervous because I didn't know how to speak English in front of people. I didn't face any type of thing like this. So that's why I was feeling nervous and I was feeling hesitant too. That how, can I do good in that or not? So for the at that moment I was feeling these types of thing.
Okay, and what does your brother do?
My brother does job in private sector.
Okay, where is he doing?
So he is doing job in Dwarka.
Okay, so what's your planning in future? Will you do a job or business?
Sir, yes, of course, I will do a job because from where I am learning, what's my field, in that field I can do good job. From there I get good, handsome salary.
Okay, so when you came first time, then what you learn from here? The first class, what was the first class, and what you learned, and what was taught to you?
So, sir, the first topic was about ISMR, which is present continuous. So in that I learned that thing, and what I liked that day, that means I used to think that English is very hard, but when you taught me, so I understood each and everything, and that's why I liked that moment, and I even didn't believe on myself that I can learn like this, so I can do good. So that was my first class, sir.
Okay, so you never thought if I don't come regular, I will learn English?
So, sir, the reality is that if we don't go regular, so we cannot learn English. It is a fact of world. It is a reality. So, same thing I used to think that if I go regular, so I will learn English. If I don't go regular, I won't. If for learning anything, sir, we have to give time. If we won't give time, so from where we will learn anything.
Okay, so many institutes are in a market.
Yes.
Why did you select it? Because many options you have, you could have gone any institute. So why did you come here? Why did you select it?
So first of all, let's start from the payment mode. I like that how you use the payment mode, which is lifetime. Means we can learn for a lifetime with a single payment. That's what I like. And the second thing I already mentioned that about the way of teaching. That thing I like. We have a different ways of learning: first level, second level, third, advanced level. So in that level we learn slowly. Otherwise, if we go directly fastly, so we won't learn anything.
So any tips you want to give those who are the beginners? They are also watching this video. They think, how should I learn English? Then how you learned English? And many tips you can tell today.
Okay, yes, sir. That we have to take baby steps first. We cannot learn anything fastly because it is a nature. So we have to give time, and then we can learn anything. And whatever sir or anyone teaches you, it is your duty, it is your responsibility to do hard work at home, to do practice of it. Without practice, you cannot do anything, and that's what I can suggest.
Okay, is there any moment you got where you just got yourself in down? Any moment?
Yes, sir. I felt that I am not doing well, and my motivation is getting down. Why? Because I was learning one day. So in that day, I got interrupted by a teacher. Means not teacher, any school teacher I'm talking about, not international institute. So where sir told me that Dipanshu, you are using wrong English. So I got confused and I was feeling very nervous. So at that moment I got demotivated, and that's why I came here and I talked to you. So then I got to know where I was lacking and what was my mistake. So from those things, even my sir didn't tell me about those mistakes, but I talked to you and then you told me. So I got to know, and that was a moment where I can think that yes, I can do whatever I want to do.
And what do you want to become and why?
Yes, I want to be a web designer, sir. Why? Because you know that digitalization is being promoted by government. So on the behalf of that, I can see my result, my future in the IT sector. That's why I want to go in IT sector.
So why did you choose open college? Because you would have chosen a regular college also.
Yes, sir. I believe in self-study. I prefer that self-study is best study in the comparison of going college and doing traveling these all. So I prefer self-study, and I am also doing it. I also do it, and I wanted to say it depends on a person. If person wants to go in a regular college, so he or she can. Otherwise, if a person wants to go with a self-study, so he or she can.
Okay, so Dipanshu, you know, we are Indian. We are living in India, and so why we need English? Because we are Indian, so what is benefit of the English?
Sir, English, first of all, English is a global language. So we have to consider that it is global language. And nowadays in India, it is one type of reputation. If you know about the English language, if you can speak English language in the front of people, it means you are literate, you are educated. And like how it is being treated by the people. And in the interview, HR wants the English language from anyone. Doesn't matter that he or she has a degree or not, but HR wants English language. If you have, so you can get a good job. Otherwise, don't. That's why these two
So
main
what do you
reasons.
think? Who can learn English? Educated person learn, otherwise anybody can learn.
Sir, anybody can learn because English doesn't demand any type of degree. English doesn't demand any type of thing. English demands only a time if you give, so you can learn. And in the English is a type of language. So you can think the person who is literate, he or she can also speak Hindi. A person who is not literate, he or she can also speak Hindi. Like
Okay,
how
also already you are speaking well English. So why you are coming after being a good speaker? Already
Yes.
you are coming my institute. So why you are coming? Is there any reason already you have learned English?
Yes, sir. We have two options. First, we go to institute for learning English, and second one is that we go to institute for maintaining our English. Now I have completed my course, and now I am speaking good. I know, but that's another thing is that I want to maintain my English. If I take break, so in future I would not be speaking very well. So that's why I want to maintain my English, and then when I will get my job, so there I will use my English. There I can left my institute.
Okay, and which movie do you like?
Sir, a movie. There are many movies. First of all, I want to go with KGF.
Which is your favorite?
Yes, KGF, sir.
KGF.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what did you learn from that movie?
Any person can do anything, whatever he wants to do. The thing is that a person has to do hard work. That you can see in the in the movie of KGF, the actor is very poor, belongs to very poor family, but still he went outside, he went abroad country, so and he did lots of hard work there, and now he is the owner of that area from where we do mining. Not we, that
Okay,
people do.
is there any message you want to give through this video? Why should people join this institute?
Yes, of course, I want to give suggestion to people. Why? Because which environment do you get here, you won't get anything. And it's my surety to you that if you find any place, so you won't get the levels, you won't get the personal talks with sir. Because sir mentioned and sir says to everyone, you can do, and sir talks to personally. Because everyone has a different problem, and sir gives every problem solution to person. So that's what I like here. And the way of teaching, I already mentioned it, and the way of talking to sir, these things I like, and if you I can give surety to you, you won't find anywhere these things. That's why you should come here.
And what did you eat for lunch?
Sir, I eat mainly dal and roti. These things I eat.
Who prepared that?
My mom prepares it.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
Sir, I have two siblings, one elder sister and one elder brother.
Okay, and what are the goal of them?
My sister wants to be an IAS officer. My brother, he is doing job, sir.
Okay, in English, what is very important?
In English, sir, for me, grammar is very important.
Okay, how do we learn grammar?
So grammar, it depends on you. If you want to learn from YouTube, so you can. Otherwise, you get classes here, so you can learn from here. It is not a big deal. It is not any rocket science. You just need to give time to your grammar, and you can learn. The thing is that you have whatever you have learned, you are learning. You need to use it next day. That's what it demands.
Okay, suppose you are the PM of India for one day. So what would you like to change?
So I would like to change the education system of whole India, not particular state, like not Gujarat, not about Delhi. I want to change whole education system of India. Like many states are there as well.
Okay, we have 3 classes: basic, intermediate, and advanced. Which class do you like most?
So advanced.
And why do you like? What is the reason you like the advanced class?
Because everyone is literate here, everyone is very intelligent, I can say, and how they talk, and many things I learn daily from different people. I learn many things daily from them, and that's why I like advanced class.
Okay, everything has a own respect. So what is the benefits of the basic class for the beginners?
So sir, in the basic class, first of all, if you don't know anything, so from the basic class you can start. Otherwise, jumping to the high level directly, it won't be helpful for you.
What do you think about the politics?
The politics, whatever I think that is not related to different thing, means different people, because my mindset is different from politics. We have first of all, we have two types of politics, which is played behind the camera and which is not played behind the camera. It means whenever we see politics on the camera, it is different, and whatever we do, we are not able to see, that is different, and that's how politics is being played by the politicians.
Okay, if you have a chance to go out of Delhi, so which state would you like to go?
Sir, Mumbai, financial state,
Okay,
Maharashtra.
so why did you select Mumbai?
Sir, because in the Mumbai we have a many celebrities houses, so I would like to see the houses of them. I would like to take a selfie if I get a chance. So that's my dream to go there.
Okay, out of India, which country would you like to go?
Sir, America.
Why?
United
Why would
States.
you like to go?
Because I like everything about America, the GDP, and means in America has a many things. And in the America you will find the cleanliness first, the on the roads, on the parks. They, I mean, those things are very clean. And whenever I see on YouTube, whenever I see any social media platform where I think that yes, I should go there and I should take some knowledge from there.
So, my dear, today you enjoyed with Dipanshu, then you saw the English of him, how he spoke English. I think he fired today and he spoke brilliant. So, please, if you like this video, share and comments, and please subscribe also. So, Dipanshu,
Yes, sir.
bye and take
Take
care.
care. Thank you.